Welcome to Finance channel, your trusted source for practical financial tips and smart money strategies. Whether you're looking to save more, pay off debt faster, avoid financial mistakes, or build long-term wealth, you're in the right place. Our goal is to make personal finance simple, practical, and easy to apply in everyday life. If you want to take control of your money and make better financial decisions, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's start your journey to financial freedom. Welcome to Finance channel. In today's video, how to pay off debt using the snowball method. Are you feeling overwhelmed by debt? The debt snowball method is a simple strategy that helps many people stay motivated while paying off what they owe. So I'm going to teach you the step-by-step procedure on how to pay off debt using the snowball method. So let's get started. First, list offer your debts from the smallest balance to the largest. Regardless of the interest rate. And second, make the minimum payment. On every debt to avoid late fees. For the third one, put any extra money toward the smallest debt until it's completely paid off. And the fourth one, once the smallest debt is gone, roll the amount you were paying on into the next smallest debt. Okay, so once the smallest debt is gone, so roll the amount you are paying on into the next smallest debt. So that is the snowball. And for the last one, repeat the process until every debt is paid off. For example, if you have three debts of $300, $1,000, $5,000, focus on paying off the $300 debt first. After it's gone, use that payment to help pay off the $1,000 debt and then the $5,000 debt. The biggest advantage of the debt snowball method is motivation. Every paid off debt is smallest victory that helps you stay committed to becoming debt free. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to take control of their finances. Thank you guys, and bye.